Welcome to TON News. We got some fresh news for you. Let's get started. Hi, on Thursday, February 20th at 1:30 p.m. Hong Kong time, Stephen Yong, board member of the TON Foundation, will take the main stage at Consensus HK to deliver his highly anticipated keynote, Advancing Freedom of Finance for the Frontier Markets. Join him for a deep dive into the future of DeFi, personal financial freedom, and how the evolving regulatory landscape is shaping the Web3 space. Don't miss this insightful session. For more details about the talk, check out the link below. Don't miss out! On February 20th at 1:40 p.m. Hong Kong time, join Jack Booth, co-founder of TON Society, for an insightful 20-minute talk on making crypto useful, the next phase of adoption at Consensus HK. In this session, Jack will be interviewed by Karen Kwok, columnist at Reuters Breaking Views. He will dive deep into the future of cryptocurrency adoption, sharing valuable insights and real-world stories from the TON trenches. Full details of the performance at the link in the description. TON Global Hacker House 2025 is coming to #ConsensusHK on February 20th. Brought to you by TON Society and TON X Studio, this is your chance to dive deep into BTCFi, AI, and Telegram stars while connecting with top builders and exploring new opportunities. Plus, leverage the TON BTCFi Toolkit by TON X API to build seamless BTCFi solutions. Check the link in the description to get into this incredible event. The fun doesn't stop there. After dark, join TON Rooftop Night at Consensus HK 2025. Network, share your on-chain stories, and grab exclusive TON Society SBTs. At OpenAD Protocol, at AVAI Official, at AdsGram AI, at Catizen AI, at Web3 Labs, and at KuCoin Web3. Get SBT through the OnTON app. The link to the event can be found in the description. That's it for today's update. Don't miss out on these exciting events. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. See you next time.